Hi, I'm Fraser Gillespie, owner of Benston Motor Engineers in Johnstone. Benston Motor Engineers is located in Johnstone Renfrewshire and offers a wide range of services for your vehicle. Our services include MOTs, tyres, car servicing and repairs, brakes and exhausts, breakdown recovery and crash repairs, diagnostic facilities and all electrical work. At Benston Motor Engineers, we offer good customer care and professional service for all your motoring needs. Thanks for watching. For more information, call us on 01505 328 344.